Hi everyone, welcome to Matrix Uploaded. As usual guys, my name is Nelson. We're going to be looking at calculator skills and BODMAS. That is the main idea. But as you know guys, we always start small. Basics first. Let's go for the basics. Have a look here. Now, using a calculator to calculate the values of powers, i.e. on your calculator, some calculators, of which I may not call their names, but some calculators have y to x as a power. Okay. Some will have x to a box on top there. Okay. But just watch out. Look for this, guys, for the power. Example. You calculate 3 to the power of 2. Okay, you know that when a calculator press 3, then you press this and then you get the answer of 9 there, which is already there. Then you go 3 to y to x and you need the square there, then you get the answer of 9, which is there. 3 to y, x to 2, which is 9. On the calculator, you go like this process. Or this, I know that this is hard sometimes. Look at the basic here. You can go, this is the basic thing. You can go 3x squared on your calculator. Almost every calculator has this. You press 3, which is the bottom, the base, and then you press x squared. It's a button on your calculator. Then you get the answer of 9. You can practice this with me, as I'm saying right now. Or on your calculator, you can go 3 times 3, which is 9. This overlaps into mathematics, I know. Okay, you can stick to like the middle one. However, at later stage, you will need this process, but I will teach you how to go. Let's look at the next example now. The next example is you calculate 4 cubed. And this 4 cubed, when you have the calculator, you press 4 first, and then you press this on your calculator, you still proceed, and then you press 3, which is this, and you come up with the answer of 64. Oh, the basic, I will always talk of the basic. The basic will be, let's look at the alternative. 4, you press x cubed. Remember, this is cube. It's a cube. X cubed on the calculator is the button on the calculator, then you get 64. Or, overlapping into mathematics now, 4 times 4 times 4. You repeat the bottom number there 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4, you get 64. You've got this as calculator skill. Okay, guys. Remember, I'm not going to say use a particular calculator, but all calculators have their way of working out. But I'm used to this calculator with y to x. I know that there are some with x here and the box like here. The box is an exponent, the x is the base. Use that as well to replace this. Okay. Some calculators will sort of interchange this. X coming here, y going there. Anyway, your calculator, you should be fun with your calculator. Let's proceed for the next example, how we work out these powers. Okay, example 3, which is 3 to the power of 4. Guys, listen. In this case, we'll have a problem. We don't have the short way. Like, remember 3 squared, what did I do? I want 3x squared. Then I got the answer on the calculator. But we don't have a button to operate 3 to the power of 4 or 4 to the power of 4. Whatever the exponent is 4. Okay, 3 to exponent 4, we don't have it. But look, watch this now. We have this sequence here. Key sequence will be 3 first. Where does this 3 come from? The base. Then you have this. As I said, guys, we need to know this. I know it's hard, but we need to come here. Press 3, come here, press 4. This 4 is always the top number, the exponent equals. Then you get 81. Okay. Then, another way you can repeat 3 4 times, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81. But we don't have a specific button. Remember the middle step. The middle alternative, we don't have it. So remember that 2 to the power of 1 or 2 to exponent 1 is the same as 2. Good. Let's come to the roots. The roots is when we have something like calculate the square root of 9. The square root of 9 on the calculator, you do this. Calculator skills. Press this root, go to 9 equal to 3. We know that with some calculators, guys, listen up. With some calculators, we have the other way around. You press 9 first and then you go to square root. Just look at the manual of your calculator, how it operates this. Okay, coming back here. Square root 9, 3. Then we have this. Remember that 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay, so 3 squared is equal to 9. It's the reverse of that, but your answer will end up there when you use the calculator. If we look at this example, square root of 5, no ways. Square root of 5, you put it like square root and 5, then you have this as the answer, which is like decimal number there. Okay, that is decimal number. Let's look at this last example then. You calculate the cube root of 8. Go cube root of 8, which is 2. You'll go cube root, you'll see this button and then you press 8, then you get this 2. But remember that 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Here, guys, I'm just trying to work in reverse. I give you the roots and then you're working in reverse. Guys, see you in the next lesson when we proceed these sums, calculator skills, and board mass. Cheers.